Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you two really amazing products. The first one is by Decay and it is called Brow Blade, and this is what it looks like. So it's a double-ended eyebrow brush, which doesn't sound too exciting to begin with, but it's absolutely fantastic. Sorry, my ears just popped. So on one end you have your standard kind of brow pencil, which is here, and on the other end you have this very, very fine tip pen, and that allows you to get into and create hair-like strokes, that microblade kind of effect. And it is truly a phenomenal product. And I like an eyebrow pencil, very much so, but this one works so beautifully, whether you're filling in the brow or you're trying to create the finest sort of hair-like strokes. It is absolutely amazing. So the shade that I use is Taupe Trap, and there's a whole other host of shades as well. Now they've also come out with a few other brow products like a double brow duo, which is nice, but you know, I've got others, and also a double-ended Fibre pen, Fibre brow, and a primer. So one end is your kind of, you know, your color, and the next end is the primer. Both work really nice, but again, you know, it's nice, but nowhere near as amazing as that pen was. And speaking of really good products from another company, again brow, this is Milk, and it is Kush Fibre Brow. And it is amazing. It is one of the few fibre brow products that actually looks like really good eyebrows. It doesn't go on too heavy or too thick or gummy or too fibery. Looks very, very natural. The shade I use is Haze, which is like a blonde shade. Absolutely, I love the Milk one, so I bought a couple of them as well because they were so good. But that combined with this Urban Decay one is truly amazing, and I'm so excited by it. It's truly, truly magnificent. Okay, thanks for watching. Links down there, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.